Hello YouTube friends. Welcome back. Today we will explore Tatsu at Six Flags Magic Mountain in Valencia, California. Tatsu is a steel flying roller coaster designed by Balaguer and Mabiar. It is a very popular ride at the Six Flags Magic Mountain amusement park. Tatsu opened to the public on May 13, 2006. It was the park's 17th roller coaster. Tatsu operates with 3 steel and fiberglass trains. Each train has 8 cars that can seat 4 riders in a single row, for a total of 32 riders per train. Each seat has its own over-the-shoulder restraint, and a pair of ankle restraints, to hold the rider's feet in place. The trains are painted green, yellow, orange and red. Tatsu reaches a height of 170 feet, 52 meters, and speeds up to 62 miles per hour, 100 kilometers per hour. The roller coaster is also the world's tallest and fastest flying coaster. It is the only flying roller coaster to feature a zero-gravity roll. Tatsu has the world's highest pretzel loop. It held the record as the world's longest flying coaster for 10 years. The Flying Dinosaur at Universal Studios Japan surpassed that record in March 2016. The steel track of Tatsu is approximately 3,602 feet, 1,098 meters long. The height of the lift is approximately 170 feet, 52 meters. To slow the train down, air brakes are attached to the track throughout the 2 brake runs. Please enjoy a full front seat POV HD view of this ride. Did you enjoy this ride? Please comment below. Please like and subscribe, with a click to the thumbs up below. See you next week with more West Coast amusement park rides.